Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials: skills, equipment, and a niche. Once done, pick one platform to focus on and create a sharp profile headline that sells value. Make sure to use a professional photo and a concise overview that highlights outcomes you deliver. Then add 3 sample tasks or briefcase results so clients see capability. Finally, set realistic availability and hourly or package rates. This immediate focus gets you interviews faster and avoids scattered effort. Next, you build credibility and start pitching. Create 3 clear work samples that showcase measurable results. Once completed, upload them to your profile and portfolio. Make reusable proposal templates, but customize each to the client's pain points and desired outcomes. Be sure to mention availability and a timeline. Also take relevant platform tests and request a tiny paid trial from first clients so you can obtain reviews quickly. This middle phase establishes trust and converts leads. Finally, you close deals, onboard clients, and deliver reliably. During onboarding, confirm scope, milestones, and payment terms in one short message. Once agreed, start the first deliverable early to build momentum. Make sure to communicate progress daily or per milestone and ask for feedback to refine work. For payments, offer multiple methods and issue an invoice with clear due dates. If problems arise, like scope creep, pause work, restate the agreement. Propose a change order and get written approval before continuing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.